Today on HandyDadTV, we are celebrating Snowblower Maintenance Week, and we're going to show you what it takes to get your snowblower ready for the season. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Heider, your virtual dad in the cloud, and this is my nephew, Joe Cochran. Joe is a mechanic, a real mechanic, not like me, I'm a fake mechanic, but he knows what he's talking about with engines. So we are going to show you what it takes to get your snowblower ready for the season this year.
Well, the first most important thing, and the easiest one to check first of all, is do a quick walk around on the unit and make sure we don't have anything that's loose, out of place, falling apart, anything that you might be operating during the use of the machine. Every one of these snowblowers, big, small, whatever, they've got wear units on them, or parts that, everything that contacts the ground is likely to wear down. So we've got the rubber paddles here. As you can see, that's what actually sends the snow up the snow.
Yeah.
So that can wear down. You've got the cutting edge or the bite tooth down here.
I think they call that the scraper.
The scraper, right. And then also you've got your plastic skids on each side.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It helps guide it. So you want to make sure none of those are wore out. You want to make sure your tires are in good shape and that you got good air pressure in them as well.
Yeah, we can top those off too. They're a little soft.
So another thing that's really important is going to be the engine oil. It's the lifeblood of your machine. And go ahead and spin this around for you guys. And if you changed at the end of last season, all you can do is a check. We didn't do that, so we're going to be doing a change here today to make sure that it's going to be ready to go for us.
Fresh oil.
Fresh oil. Going to change out the spark plug.
Okay.
And then we're going to fuel her up and get her started and make sure she's ready to go.
And I don't think they usually put air filters on snowblowers, right? Because in a cold climate, you usually don't need to worry about that, right?
Correct.
Good. Now, every snowblower is going to be a little bit different, but this Toro makes it easy. They've got the drain is right in the back here, and it should come straight out.
Go ahead and tilt it back a little bit, give it a little help draining out.
You know what we could also do? Let some air in. For this one, we actually found laying it on the ground is the best way to do it. No problem. Now, every brand of snowblower is going to have a maintenance kit that you can get that has everything you need for your seasonal preparations. And this one, specifically from Toro, has 5W30 oil, spark plug, and it also has some fuel treatment here. This is just a small sample. This one is good enough to do a gallon. Of course, because of other tools that we have a 5-gallon can, and we've already put stabilizer in it, but you know, this treatment is good if you only have a gallon gas can and this is your only gas tool. That's a good thing to do. You never want to put unstabilized fuel in the gas tank. All right, the oil is done. And the advantage of buying the maintenance kit is that this is a pre-measured amount of oil for this engine, so we don't have to worry about measuring, and that's a good thing. Oh, that sucks.
Of course. Everybody knows if you're going to drop it, it's going to go right in the oil.
You just snugged that up, right? You didn't tighten it.
Yes. Good. Don't want to over tighten it. It's got a crush washer on there to help seal it.
What are you doing?
Going to make sure that our oil level's right after the change.
I don't know if you can see that. I could barely see it.
It's about right. It's right on high, right on the full level.
Excellent.
It's exactly what we're looking for. It's nice that it came in a pre-measured amount. Makes it super easy. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the spark plug out.
Do we know where that is?
Spark plug's right here back on the back. You can tell because it's got the lead going to it.
Okay.
We should be able to just pull this off. Get that up out of our way.
Wow.
It's in there nice and tight.
From the factory.
Take that off and just use our hands to screw it off the rest of the way.
How's it look?
Looks like it's in good shape.
But using fresh gas is always a good thing, because if you use old gas, it can gunk it up really quick.
We're going to go ahead and put the new one in there anyways. Yep. Make sure it's running good. New one in there. Gotta check the gap, make sure it's not touching.
I think it's pre-gapped though, right?
Usually it is, yes. And our sealing ring is also on there and in good shape. So now we can go ahead and put that down into the hole and start the threads. Run that down till it's hand tight.
Yeah, I guess most people don't have torque wrenches, so they never know how tight to make them.
Yeah, and you can definitely over tighten them, so usually just a little bit more, because it's got that little washer on there and you'll feel it.
That's good enough.
Let me get our plug back on there. I hear it click, that means it's engaged.
Fire it up, Sparky. Now this one has an electric start, which is always a nice thing. But it has this if the pull chain, or whatever you want to call it, the recoil starter. You pump until you feel the gas.
You'll start feeling some resistance since it hasn't been primed all season. Might take a little bit more than usual.
All right, we got choke.
A little bit of choke.
Now inside your snowblower, where you can't see, there are usually drive belts that drive not only the auger, so you want to make sure you test the auger, but you also want to test the drive, the self-propel. And that's very important to do, to make sure that the belts are in good shape and they don't need to be replaced.
I want to try out this personal pace. Oh, wow. That's outstanding. No pushing. Look, one finger. Yeah, that's just phenomenal.
And because we looked at it now before the snow's here,
Yes!
you know it should be ready to go and shouldn't have any of those hard start issues.
Because I should mention, Joe just bought this house in Pennsylvania, and I'd like to thank Toro for sending the snowblower for us to demonstrate to you how to maintain your snowblower. And when it snows here, which it's pretty much guaranteed to snow, we will be back for a full review of this snowblower. Until then, I'm Chris Heider.
I'm Joe Cochran.
For HandyDadTV. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.
Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.